documentary. I'm going to release the birds. Here we are on Borden Ranch Road. Here's the truck. Okay, you can see up the road. See, come up Borden Ranch Road. And I have some very special cargo in the back of the truck here. And I'm just trying to make sure I have the video turned on. Poor things, they got slid around a little bit. Here in the basket. Alright. I don't know if you can see them in there or not. Very precious cargo in there. Absolutely beautiful birds. Okay, I'm going to have to stand back a little bit because, oh, there's, I don't know if you can see his eye or not. It's a little too bright, I think. But when I open the top of this basket, there's 6 birds in here. And there's 6 birds, and they're about 2.5, almost 3 miles away from their home, which is really probably not much of a test for them. But here we go. So there they are.